we have all three pieces to the Fabulous Creatures collection from Swarovski. I collected them and I have the final one in this box right here. Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We did it. We finally did it, honey. We have all three pieces. Shall we open it? Shall we get into it? Now, this piece I found on eBay. Very excited. It comes in the box. It has the original box as well. So in case you guys are interested, this is the original box. Comes with all this padding and stuff and all this other stuff. Anyways, I have it here. Now, we already have two other pieces from this collection. I'm going to link the videos above here. So we have the first one, which was the first piece I got, which was the unicorn. Then the second piece I got was Pegasus. So I'm going to link these above for you. I'm just so happy and so excited that I finally managed to find this piece. And I can't remember the price exactly. I think I only paid around like £60, £70 for this. I didn't spend loads on this one, so it wasn't that expensive in terms of what it is. It's still expensive. You know what I'm saying, right? Anyways, I'm not going to keep you guys waiting. Let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so if you've seen my other unboxings, you'll be familiar with these. I'm going to open it this way up. Wow, here we are. Let me just hold on to it. Oh. Ta-da! So we have the dragon. Amazing. Simply gorgeous. Look at the red inside this packaging as well. Girl. Just look at him. I love his red eyes the most. So this is I think it's the Chinese dragon. And he's holding a ball here. Or a pendant, I should say. But yes. Look at the gorgeous detail on this dragon. Now, there is a defect with this. He does supposed to have two whiskers, and the whiskers are missing. But I don't think it detracts from the overall beauty of this piece whatsoever. And it doesn't bother me as much. So that's fine. I'm okay with this. And I didn't actually realize this until I had purchased it. Gorgeous! I'm so happy to have this piece in the collection. So now we have the three pieces together. What I want to look out for now is I've noticed that they do these plaques. They are relatively, let me just put him away. There we go, put him safe. They're about this size, and they're a little kind of like almost an emerald cut diamond shape, and it says the name of the collection and the year on it. I've seen loads on eBay, so I'm sure I'll just pick one up as and when. But I'm thinking, how stunning. The three together with the plaque, gorgeous. I'm also on the lookout for, each one of these came with different stands. I know the dragon actually came with a red stand, or essentially a red stand with a gold trim on it. So I am on the lookout for that. I know that the Pegasus also came with a stand, and so did the unicorn. The unicorns I think was black and the Pegasus was navy. If I can find pictures, I'm going to insert them for you. And honestly, this collection was so me, and I just needed to have the pieces. Oh, and I'm just so excited, and I'm happy that so many of you actually enjoy these Swarovski videos, and you're here for me on this Swarovski journey. So I'm just going to put him away so he can go back to bed. Back to bed. Thank you so much for watching, guys. You know, I truly do appreciate you hanging around to watch little old me and my videos. And if you enjoyed the video, give me a like. And if you want to see more of me, hit that subscribe button, honey. I'll wait for you. And until next time, my loves, stay safe, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye!